Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron Melty beads. Start by placing your pegboard on a flat, heat-proof surface and arranging beads in your pattern, then cover the beads with parchment paper. Preheat a household iron to medium and press in small, circular motions for about 10 seconds per area, lifting to check fusion. Work steadily, avoid overheating, and let the design cool before removing to keep edges crisp and even. Gather the right tools before you start to save time and avoid mistakes. You will need a pegboard, parchment paper, a household iron, tweezers, and a heat-proof surface. Choose bead colors and sort them by pattern before arranging to speed the process. Test a small corner first to dial in pressure and timing, and always keep a spray bottle of water nearby for quick cooling if anything gets too hot. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy crafting, subscribe and like this video if you are finding it helpful. On another note, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading pattern tutorials and craft e-books with crisp display and long battery life. It slips into a crafting bag easily and is great for reference while ironing. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Master a few simple techniques to create smooth, durable Melty bead designs. Use consistent, gentle pressure and move the iron in small circles to heat evenly without flattening edges. Check after each 8 to 12 second segment to avoid overheating, and flip the design to heat the other side for a firmer bond if needed. Cool with a heavy book on top for flatness, then gently peel the parchment carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.